Every empire starts somewhere, not in a skyscraper, not in a billion-dollar factory, but sometimes in a small garage with old tools and a dream that refuses to quit. Today on DriveSphere, we take you to the place where Mercedes-Benz history is not just restored, it is reborn. Hello everyone, welcome back to DriveSphere. Today, we are in Hungary, at one of the most respected names in the world of classic Mercedes-Benz restoration Motor Classic Hungary. This is not just a workshop. This is a place where heritage meets innovation, where the past is engineered with the technology of the future. Motor Classic Hungary is known globally for its museum-grade restorations of legendary Mercedes models. We're talking about the iconic Pagoda W113, the legendary 300 SL Classic Inline 6-cylinder Mercedes engines, and rare models that most people will never see in real life, but here's the real hook. Mercedes-Benz itself places special orders here. That's right, this facility doesn't just restore classics, it manufactures brand new components for Mercedes-Benz classic vehicles. Right now, we are entering the CNC machining area. This is where old-school engines meet modern precision. Here, Motor Classic Hungary recreates fuel pump components, oil pumps, mechanical parts for inline 6-cylinder engines. These parts are built to original factory specifications with modern tolerances for classic Mercedes vehicles that are still driving today. This means cars like the 300 SL, Pagoda models and other legends can live on not as museum pieces, but as driving machines. But restoration doesn't end with beauty. Every classic Mercedes here goes through a full diagnostic and testing process. Gearbox testing, underbody inspection, mechanical calibration. Only when everything performs perfectly does a car leave this facility. This is engineering respect, not restoration shortcuts. Now this is where things get futuristic. Motor Classic Hungary also operates robotic paint systems, the same level of technology used in modern high-volume manufacturers. From base coat to color to clear coat, everything is applied with absolute precision. And here's the twist. These robots don't only paint classic cars. They also paint components for modern vehicles like side mirror caps ordered in high volumes, classic heritage, powering modern production. Right now, you're seeing a Mercedes Pagoda in its final color stage. This is not repainting, this is rebirth. In the bodywork area, frames are straightened from scratch, panels are realigned with precision machines, every millimeter is corrected. Some cars arrive slightly twisted by time. They leave here perfectly aligned, just like the day they were born. And yes, Motor Classic Hungary even has a fighter jet cockpit. Fully functional hydraulics, landing gear, flaps, controls. Why? Because this company doesn't just restore cars, it celebrates engineering passion, no matter the form. Their slogan says it all: motor history and innovation. Now comes the most powerful part of this story. We are standing at the last house on the street, inside the garage where it all began. This is where Zsolt, the founder and CEO of Motor Classic Hungary, started everything. No lifts, no advanced machines. Just old tools, limited space, pure determination, 3 cars, crawling underneath them by hand, learning by doing. This garage is the DNA of Motor Classic Hungary. Inside, you'll find Zsolt's old motorsport racing suit photos documenting every step of the journey, a small office where big dreams were planned. Zsolt told us something very important. Hard work is everything. But sometimes you also need a little luck. And when passion meets persistence, luck eventually shows up. From a small garage to one of Europe's most respected Mercedes-Benz restoration facilities. After 25 years of relentless work, Motor Classic Hungary stands as proof that dreams built with discipline become legacy. If you want a one-of-a-kind classic Mercedes built from the ground up with factory-level perfection, Motor Classic Hungary is the place. This is DriveSphere, where cars are more than machines, they are stories. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.